Hi, I'm Rudge and I'm a cadet here at Kapitol Group. I'm currently studying a Bachelor of Applied Science in Construction Management at RMIT, and I'm the current recipient of the RMIT Women in Construction Kapitol Group Scholarship. I was really attracted to the scholarship because it was encouraging young women in the industry and saw that Kapitol Group was really taking initiative to encourage the future. What also attracted me to the scholarship was that it was actually funding a year of my studies and was also giving me a foot into the industry by offering me a cadetship as well. After receiving my scholarship and working as a cadet, I have been able to have a broad range of experiences. This ranges from being in the estimating team, which I learned different skills such as programs like CostX, which coincide with my studies. I'm currently working on a data centre, which has given me a range of knowledge working on site. This has also helped with my assignments at uni. I'm currently undergoing a class about services, and this has been a really helpful class with what we're currently doing out on a data centre, as a lot of services are required. I've been able to work with my site supervisor, Benny, and we've been able to run through what I'm learning in class. For example, 2 weeks ago, I was learning about mechanical. So the next day I went to Benny and we had a walkthrough on site, doing just a normal site inspection, and I was able to ask him questions about the ductwork and everything I'd learned in class and go over these. It gave me way more greater knowledge about what I was learning in class. Kapitol's been really accommodating in terms of work-life balance, making sure that I'm prioritising my studies as well as the cadetship. This is seen when I have really big exams or assignments coming up. They're always making sure that I'm taking the time to study and will actually help me as a team with questions that I may have about my upcoming assignments. I'd encourage anyone currently studying to definitely apply for a cadetship. Not only has it been extremely beneficial with my studies, but it's also given me hands-on experience and a foot in the door. As a woman in the industry, it's also been extremely empowering to have a company back you up and support your future. The financial aspect of the scholarship has also been extremely helpful, and I encourage any female currently in their second year at RMIT to definitely apply for this scholarship.